Hello everyone, this is Masumjia here. So as you can see, this is our funnel and we already did our GTM integration with our funnel, and then our GA4 integration, our GA4 lead event setup and Facebook pixel integration. Now we will be doing is setting up our Facebook pixel lead event. Now it's my funnel, and I know that on my funnel, if I go to thank you page, it's a lead event for me if someone is visiting that page, and it is a single page application or single page setup. Now we have two ways to set up these conversions. One is via the page URL, or one is by our premium event listener code, which I have showed on our fourth videos. So on the playlist you can check out on the fourth videos how to create the event listener, or I'll just show you how to do it. So let's create a new and it's Facebook pixel, and we need the ID again. Okay, enter it here, and it should be lead. Whatever you want to choose you can choose, but for me I'll choose it as lead. So now I'll choose that event, lead event. Okay, so if you click on this lead event, how I had created the event. So once you should choose the history change, go to history change, you see history change, and then when it will be fired, once someone visiting the thank you page, you see it's the thank you or final page, and then that's a trigger or condition to fire the lead event. So how to do it? You click on create and new. So I already have this, that's why I'm not creating again. So I already showed you history change and choose page URL, which should be the URL of your thank you page. That's it, boom. So here is another way. We have installed our premium event listener code. So let's save it, Facebook pixel lead. So I'll show you a few things. So now I want to show you another way to capture this lead. It will be useful on our second thing. Now I want to send some object properties, so which is called city and call zip email. So I want to send this thing. I have my data layer set up here, I have my premium data layer setup, which will throw the event. I'll show you. Data layer variable city let me create this. Okay, so I had did the variable creation for us, so it is coming through our data layer, which I have already set up for us. So it is not this one. I'll choose this lead event capture test. So it is a custom event which has been firing from my premium data layer, and the data layer also fetching all the data from your funnel or from the survey, from your whatever you are doing. Then all the data has been gathered here, and then we can pass it to Meta to improve your event match quality. And it's really very important factor to help you scale. Event match quality score is a very much crucial thing for your ads, and it has been implemented through our server side, but I'm showing you for example. Now as we did our submit lead event condition setup or submit lead event for our Facebook ads, what I would do is I would submit. Now I need to do one thing. I want to rename it with another event, as I want to differentiate this, right? So I would call submit application. So submit application having set up from my premium data layer, and Facebook lead is having set up from my basic setup. So now you click on submit, publish, and the premium data layer is premium. It comes through our premium projects or paid projects, but I'm showing you, if you like we can just work on that thing. Now it's my funnel. What I would do is I would give it a refresh. It would take some time. Okay, it's, you see pixel has been firing. Wait, I'll give it a refresh again to be populated by the changes I did on my GTM. It takes few seconds to minutes. So now let's start. Townhouse 1-2 morning. So let me complete the survey. So you see I'm entering all this information here: state, and then okay, it's doing some verification. First last name and email address and phone number. So let's do the verification. Okay, the lead has been verified. Now let's complete the process. So WhatsApp, it's been done, right? So now open that pixel. So you see your page view, let's ignore it, and that lead event has been fired from our basic setup, which is not having any additional data. You see it's just having our basic data. But if we use our premium data layer, what I can do is I can send that CT, and I can send that email, I can send my phone number, zip code, address, first name, last name. To improve your event match quality score, that will give you a boost at your optimization of your ads. That's how it works. That premium data layer is really helpful. The businesses I have been working with that data layer, they get a booster on their ads, and much more thing we do on our premium things. So you can just go with the page view thing, or you can come with the premium data layer. So that's it for now. Have a good day. Let's see you on the next video.